Hello everyone and welcome to this review of Rytr. Rytr is another AI writing tool, but it's actually more cost effective than my previous review, which was for Jarvis, and you also get unlimited characters. Now the reason I'm reviewing this now is because somebody commented on my Jarvis review. So there are two comments I replied to. The first one was this person was looking for a cheaper AI writing tool. Now Jarvis it's now $59 for 50,000 characters, which is still quite a lot compared to what you get with Rytr. And also this other person here said that the content from Jarvis wasn't great. I mean, it is an AI writing tool and the content is always usable, but it won't do the job for you. You have to modify the content yourself to make it suit what you need. But I did suggest Article Forge, which I'll start using now, and Article Forge is cheaper than Jarvis, and the annual plan, the unlimited plan, if it's still around at the time of this recording, is cheaper than Rytr, and the content is more accurate, is more recent, and it is incredible. So I'll leave a link to both videos in the description, but definitely check out Article Forge if you want ready-made articles, and Jarvis if you want to use something like boss mode. Let's get back to Rytr. So Rytr is another AI tool. Like all of the recent batch of AI tools, they all work on GPT-3, and they all make their own tools work in a different way. But Rytr is quite similar to Jarvis. The big difference is some of the templates and the price. Where's the price? So the pricing right now is $29 a month for unlimited characters. For boss mode, I'm paying $119, but boss mode is slightly different. Is where you can keep composing, but Rytr works in a different way, but you still get unlimited in both. This is just $29, and you get access to use cases. You can create your own custom use cases, write in 30 plus languages, 20 plus predefined tones. I don't know why you need an account manager, and so on. So let me get inside Rytr and show you a demo. So this is the dashboard of Rytr. So you choose your languages. I just leave it on US English. Your tones, so appreciative, assertive. I normally use casual and informative. And this is the use cases. So in Java it's called templates. So the one I'll be using the most are blog ideas and outline and blog section writing. But there's plenty here. You get copywriting, email, Facebook ads, Twitter ads, Google search ads, interview questions, job descriptions. There's quite a few here. Sorry. Reply to reviews. That's similar to one of the Jarvis features that I highlighted in the last video. SEO description, meta tags, song lyrics, story plots, and a video channel description, and video ideas. That's some good ones. Let's just start with blog idea and outline. So let's say I'm starting a new blog. It's all about fitness and muscle building and so on. So let's see, muscle building for beginners. So we're going to go for a blog ideas and outline. So click on write for me. Give it a second. Okay, so now we have I forgot to choose. I should normally choose 3 variants, but don't forget every one you use takes up credits. But if you're on unlimited, it doesn't matter. So for this example, how to get a muscle building workout that will make you gain weight and keep it tough. And these are the subheading ideas. And now what you can do is you can put this straight into a document, or you can put it straight onto a WordPress site. But so for the instruction, so why is it important for beginners to focus on gaining weight? Okay, so if you click on that, you can click on paragraph, and it'll write a paragraph on this for this title. Okay, so obviously you'll delete this bit. And this is a H3, you can make a H2 header. Okay, so then you can carry on. So what is a good muscle building workout? So click on paragraph. Okay, Rytr can be a little bit fiddly to use, so what I recommend is that you take these headings, put them back into the selection box here, and then you rewrite your content. That's why I recommend you copy your content across to your document. Stick in a Google Doc or WordPress document or something. Because it's not like Java, it's not found a way to make it continue writing. You can get it to rephrase, improve, paragraph, expand, shorten, append, and plagiarism checker. But so what I would do is go to blog section writing and then put in this heading. Actually, let me just undo because I think it had some keywords for me. Okay, so these keywords here. Go into the section keywords, just delete this, and then click write for me. So it should put it here, I think. Okay, so I think I messed it up. Give me 1 second. Okay, sorry, yeah, it was a bit. I'm not sure what it's going. Okay, so take this content, put it up here. Just that paragraph. So this one will take this heading and put it in section topic. Then take these keywords, put it in there. This bit ready. Don't need this bit. Okay, so let's click on write for me. Okay, so we can take that, put it back in here, and now this last section. Is there a conclusion writer? Okay, no, I think I'll just put that in there. So let's see what output it gives us for this. Right for me. Okay, so we can improve or expand. Let's look at improve first. Again, didn't do much. Click on expand. Okay, also didn't do much. Okay. So how many words? 432 words. So that should be enough to get you a rankable article. Now, of course, you can use some more keywords, some more topics to get a little bit more beef into the article. Beef it up a little bit, I mean. Delete this here. And so with something like this, you can copy and paste it straight into WordPress, and it will create the headings and everything for you. And you can put in affiliate links, you can put in pictures, images, put in a video or something. And this will help you beef up the content on your site and make it rankable. And actually, quickly speed reading through it, the content looks decent. Is it better than Jarvis? I'll have to do another video and compare with their similar sort of titles. But let me just. God, yeah, I think it saved it as a document. So I'll keep that document. Let's start a new document. Actually, no. Let's just go through the. Video idea. So muscle building for beginners. casual, and this time I want 3 variants. So it creates a new document. So the best muscle building workout for beginners, muscle building workout for beginners, 11 ways to build muscle for beginners. Okay, and video description. Let's see if it lists out 11, because I know Jarvis does. Okay, there's just description, yes. Okay, it's not bad. So what you could do with something like this, if you're creating videos, you can use something like one of the online video creators and just create a script, put that content into the video creator, and then just use stock footage and just make a video for maybe 2 to 5 minutes, and put some affiliate links in the description or links to your website or whatever, and just create some traffic that way. Let's see what else. Let's go back. Let's see. Question and answer. Okay, let me pull up Quora. Spell muscle. Okay, we'll take this first one. Go back to Rytr, question answer, put in the question. Okay, write for me. Would be handy if they put here what type of document it was anyway. So where is the actual answer? Okay, I think if you click on here, and you click paragraph. Yeah, it says paragraph here, sorry. Okay, and this one, for example, paragraph on that one. It's just by getting used to it, because I'm used to Jarvis and the constant composing, so Rytr is slightly different. And we'll do one more. And what was the actual question? On muscle building. Okay, they did actually put them off topic. But you can change the content around a little bit and suit it to the question. So what else did I show you in this? I think that's about it. Everything is pretty similar, so that's that. Now, okay, let me show you. So I've, I guess fine, that's fine. I can cancel that. Where's the use cases I want to show you? So, so you can read through their description of what they recommend each tool is used for. And then go through step by step how to use each tool, each template. Pretty much the same process. Yeah, with Jarvis it can be overwhelming because there's a lot of templates and a lot of options. Rytr is a little bit more straightforward. Content is similar, and if you're just looking to write content to rank websites or get some more traffic on Quora or write YouTube descriptions and so on, Rytr is a very good tool. I think Jarvis is still the premier tool for AI writing. Or if you just want articles, watch my video on Article Forge, because I think Article Forge is the best for writing the cleanest, most readable, most accurate content. It's a lot better than Jarvis and Rytr or any other AI tool. So that's my recommendation. So Rytr is the cheapest AI writer that I've used. At $29 a month for unlimited characters, I don't think there'll be a better deal. So grab that now, link is below. If you found it useful, give me a comment. If you've tried Rytr and you've tried Jarvis, let me know down below what you think of both. I'll try and do a side-by-side comparison of both with the same headings and same topics and see what the content's like, because they all tweak their algorithms a little bit. see how that goes. So I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.